So these subwoofers, well, they do complement when it comes to the bass. అంటే బేస్కి ఎవరికైతే కావాలనో వాళ్ళకి కాంప్లిమెంట్ అవుతుంది కానీ బట్ దిస్ నాట్ రిప్లేస్మెంట్. గైస్ మీకు ఇంత ముందు కూడా చెప్పాను నేను, మై హోల్ ఇంటెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ టూ ప్యాసివ్ సబ్వూఫర్స్ అండ్ ది యాక్టివ్, ద హోల్ పర్పస్ ఈస్ బికాస్ నేను ఐఎమ్ అప్గ్రేడింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ దానికి నేను వెళ్తున్నా అన్నట్టు. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ హోమ్ థియేటర్ సెటప్కి వెళ్తున్నా కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ గోన్ యూజ్ దిస్. కానీ మీరు, ఐ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ అండ్ హైలీ రికమెండ్, do not cut the voice of Sony HD IV300 because you might be compromising about the warranty. So do not do that. Nadante it's a 6-year old system, so I don't have any warranty or guarantee. So my system doesn't have any warranty or guarantee, so not me. I'm so sorry for the bad English as well. So, and again, now let's do the unboxing. So these are the cables which I brought from Amazon Basics, and these are for, I have two inputs for this preamp. I have two inputs. So for the same reason, because as I'm getting AV receiver, so I brought these, which is 15 feet and 4.6 meters long. That is huge for my setup. Actually, apart from RCA and all, if you seriously use this, it's so heavy and it's flexible as well. It's so heavy. You know, if you can boomerang or if you can zap it this, I'm sorry to say this, you can seriously hurt someone. It is very, very badass. Badass in the sense, in a very good sense, my dears. So, తప్పుగా అనుకోకండి. Super product. I liked it, and I brought it for around each cable under 15 15 feet, around 4 point change meters. I brought it around for each cable. This one I bought for 500 rupees on Amazon Basics. Yeah, same day delivery. I ordered in the morning and I got it delivered, this product, few minutes back. Let me know all your queries, questions, whatever it is on my YouTube channel. You can comment. I'll reply as soon as I see the comments, and I'm always here to help you guys. Thank you. Thank you.